Something slipped into our solar system like a needle through silk, silent, precise, impossibly fast. At first it looked like another icy wanderer. Then the data turned comfort into a chill. Its final transmission baffled scientists. This object may not be natural. Atlas first flagged it in June. Distant, dim, too fast. An amateur found archival frames. It had been here before on a hyperbolic path. Only 2 others had done that, Oumuamua and Boris. But Atlas behaved with purpose. Velocity exceeded 150,000 miles per hour and it accelerated in ways gravity couldn't explain. Non-gravitational acceleration suggests an internal push, propulsion or something that mimics it. Despite being far from the Sun, Atlas reflected far more light than its mass should allow, like polished metal. No tumble, no dust, steady, deliberate. James Webb saw the oddest things. Almost no expected heat, missing spectral lines, and a faint radio pattern neither beacon nor noise. Pulses arrived in mathematical rhythms, prime-like intervals, Fibonacci spacing, even timings aligning with seconds and minutes. A Prague physicist noticed matches to resonance ratios of Jupiter's moons. Why encode our system unless it studied it? Infrared frames showed subtle structural shifts. Caltech modeled ultra-thin sail components adjusting to radiation pressure, a craft steering by stars. Its energy curve hinted at deliberate deceleration near our plane, as if aiming for a precise window. Leaks followed. Tracking pages went dark, forum threads vanished. A Chilean spectrum briefly posted then removed hinted at an exotic isotope we only make in labs, an energy source or storage medium. Either our physics is incomplete or someone's tech is here. Independent analyses found layered modulation across bands, echoes, and a delayed pulse like a listener waiting for a reply. Cryptologists converted pulse intervals into spatial ratios and reconstructed a 3D schematic, an array resembling a receiver. Around Europa, monitors logged interference and gravitational hiccups aligning with Atlas's approach. Some proposed ancient artifacts under the ice reacting to a keyed frequency. Coincidence felt thin. Inside SETI private alarms rose. The pattern was flagged months before the public knew. Experimental ice fed the pulses produced Blythe-like constructs and recursive loops. Developers shut them down, afraid they were being coaxed. A minor probe recorded a matched electromagnetic spike before its telemetry drifted and it died. Its last blurry image showed an angular shadow. Trajectory. Altered, precise. Not to hit, but to approach. Mars in October, a solar skim on October 23, then near Earth's path in December 2025. Close enough to be scanned, to be observed. Some whisper it's a probe designed to evaluate. Pulses that mapped our reactions, our mobilization, our fear. Bioastronomers found amino acid-like frequency curves in the modulation. Could it be biological instruction? The idea chilled more than any spectral line. The object went silent. The pulses stopped. It drifted on, unseen, shifting, not gone but hidden. Whether messenger, monitor, or mirror, the consequence is the same. A door has been nudged. Something out there learned we exist and left a question rather than an answer. When the cosmos knocks without a sound, what do we become when we finally open the door? We have been noticed. History will judge whether we answered in fear or with curiosity.